In today's video, I will walk you through how to trade recently added coins on CoinMarketCap. To find and trade recently added tokens on CoinMarketCap, start by accessing the recently added section. If you are on CoinMarketCap and need an account, select the sign up option and create an account. You can also continue using an available account option. Once you are in, focus on the cryptocurrency section. From the menu, go to cryptocurrencies and find the trending, biggest gainers, and recently added sections. Select the More option under Recently Added. This will open the page containing newly added cryptocurrencies. On this page, you can view different details about each new cryptocurrency, including the price, time added, trading volume, and blockchain information. The time added section shows when the cryptocurrency was listed, such as a few days ago or more recently. To review a specific token, select the cryptocurrency you want to check. Open the token details page and switch to the available view to review the information. Check when the token was added and review its current movement. If you want to trade the token, locate the contract address and copy it. After copying the contract address, go to the trading platform you want to use. Select the option to connect your wallet and connect your wallet to the platform. Once your wallet is connected, select the token you want to swap. Choose the available token amount you want to trade and continue with the swap process. To add the new token, use the search option and paste the copied contract address. Select the token from the search results. If the token requires confirmation, select the import option to add it. After importing the token, review the current token price and the available information shown on the trading page. Enter the amount you want to trade and check the amount of the new token you will receive. Continue with the transaction using the available options. To explore more recently added tokens, return to the cryptocurrencies section and open the recently added section again. Review the list of new projects and select the tokens you want to check. Use the available details to continue exploring recently added cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.